Hi everyone! If you're dealing with a dry, tickly cough, you're not alone. Whether it's from a cold, allergies, or irritation, a dry cough can be really annoying. But don't worry, I've got a few natural remedies that can help soothe your throat and calm that cough. Let's get started. First up, honey. Honey has antibacterial properties and works wonders as a natural cough suppressant. Just take 1 to 2 teaspoons of raw honey before bed or whenever you're feeling that dry tickle in your throat. You can also mix it with warm water or herbal tea. Next, try ginger tea. Ginger is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce throat irritation. Simply steep fresh ginger slices in hot water for about 10 minutes and then sip slowly. Another great remedy is steam inhalation. When your throat feels dry and scratchy, inhaling steam can help moisten it. Simply lean over a bowl of hot water, cover your head with a towel, and inhale deeply for 5 to 10 minutes. This will help loosen up any irritation. And don't forget to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day will keep your throat moist and help reduce coughing. You can also sip on warm broths or herbal teas like chamomile. So next time you have a dry cough, give these remedies a try. But remember, if your symptoms persist or get worse, it's always a good idea to consult a doctor. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.